Hey guys, it's Wolf here back with another video. In this video we're going to check out Polkadot price prediction, okay? So everybody should know Polkadot by now, okay? I bought Polkadot when it was $3 when it was first launched on Binance. It was like $300, then it was like swapped, and then it came out on Binance $3. I bought there and sold like something like I flipped it like so $6 here, okay? And I like Polkadot. um, Polkadot is basically just like Ethereum and Cardano and Polkadot and Ethereum are basically the same stuff, or basically the same, like where the idea is the same, okay? But you know, Ethereum currently, if you think about it, Ethereum, it's a broken product. Okay, the gas fees are outrageous, and they have done like absolutely nothing to fix the gas prices. Okay, so if you it's crazy. And Alex Baker, go check out Alex Baker's channel. He's a software guy, like multimillionaire, very smart guy, and he explained like why he thinks Ethereum is not going to survive. Or of course there's possibility that it's going to survive, but he said the points like why it's not going to survive. So for example, um, when a software is created, okay, like Ethereum, it's coded like this. Okay, so let's say that this is Ethereum, and these are the like code and everything. Okay, but if it's not made right in the first attempt, when they come to fix bugs try to fix the gas fee, when they change something here, something changed here, and something changed here. Okay, so it's very hard to fix it anymore. It's very hard. It's very hard. Okay, and also it's decentralized, so it takes a long time for these upgrades to happen. Okay, because some people want that, some people want that, and there's no really like leadership and long-term or vision for Ethereum. Okay, for like it, because let's face it, even though blockchain is amazing technology, I love amazing technology, but the customer who is going to use Ethereum, like for example, like 1% of people who hype Ethereum are using Ethereum. Other people just say it's good because they bought into the hype, and they just Ethereum because it's the first movers advantage. Okay, but there's a little like not much going on for Ethereum, and that's why I really like Polkadot and Cardano, but I also like Ethereum still. Okay, so anyway, I still own some Ethereum, but I just wanted to say that because I think that it's important to understand, because now when these companies, for example Polkadot, they started building Polkadot. Okay, so they built Polkadot from the ground up. Okay, so they don't have to do any they don't have to come back here and change the code, because it's the first time they build it very well. Like, you know what I'm saying here? And I'm going to show you what I mean here on technology side and fundamentalist side. So let's dive deep. So price prediction for Polkadot 2021 March, and we are going to use token metrics. So it's a machine learning software, and like you can see here, it's very interesting to see here predicted price and the price currently. So it's saying that Polkadot is a little overpriced at the moment. I think that like if you really come to the cryptocurrency markets right now and look at the projects, everything is just overvalued. Like if you think about it, the use case of these products is still not like huge. Okay, and yeah, I'm just saying that because there has to be, at some point there has to come bear market, or there has to come bear market. So it's going to go woo, and then there's going to bear market again. And if you really think about it, for example, Ethereum's point of view, if Ethereum 2.0 comes here, and that doesn't solve, for example, the gas problems, Ethereum is going to die. Okay, because these projects are going to take over, and it's really easy to change from Ethereum to Polkadot, or Ethereum to Cardano, or any other upcoming projects. Okay, I think that's very like you have to understand that there's some, at some point there is going to be bear market, and when that bear market comes, the projects that are not customer oriented and that are not the best, they're going to, in my opinion, die. Okay, but in that sense, I love Polkadot. I like Polkadot and the idea, and also Kusama. I also like Kusama. Currently I don't own any Polkadot in my portfolio currently. Yeah, it just that's I can't own every single cryptocurrency, but I think that Polkadot is a really good project here. But think about it, like it has already pumped. So that being said, like look at the market cap here. So it would have to, like if the price for the price to double here, it would have to be 66 billion. Okay, even it had to be even bigger than BNB. That's fairly possible, but still, like you know what I'm saying. There's huge opportunities here on the low cap, so that's why I'm not currently invested in Polkadot. I think that all of the currencies are currently very overpriced. Like if you really think about it, like straight from the get-go, new projects currently they get insane valuation. Let's go here. Let's go look at some of the pages. Look at here, the market cap of these projects. Look at that. It's crazy. So I think that there's definitely, well, something's going to happen. But anyway, Polkadot price prediction for 2021 March. That being said, here's the price prediction. I think that it's currently like overvalued like everything else. So I'm not going to buy into this simply because, let me show you, simply because there's no margin of safety. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger always talks about margin of safety. So for example, if you bought the $3 dot here like I did, and I wouldn't have sold it, I just have kept it, then sure I can hold it even though if it's going to dip here and whatnot. But when it's not, like the price is already here, and if I buy it here, I have a very little margin of safety. Like you can see, it goes to negative very fast. Okay, so there's a little margin of safety because we don't know, nobody knows how the bull run is going to go. And of course there's been big talk about the Bitcoin going to like $250,000 or something like that. And of course, yeah, it could happen. But even that, if it happened, I think that there's still better opportunities at the moment than Polkadot. Like I think that Polkadot, when I'm buying currencies, of course I want to cryptocurrencies that like last for 5 to 10 years, or like you know what I'm saying, like they are, for example, Cardano, very slow but they build it from the ground up, very like straight up good. Okay, the product is good, but it's going to take a while. It's not like people, like it's funny because people come into these markets and they're like, yeah, cryptocurrencies are the new thing. But when they start, if you really go to use these platform or these, you know, products, you can see that they are not, they are very beta still, very beta. Like it's crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. Theta has been pumping really well. It's currently for $6.40. Like insane gains for if somebody accumulated through this period of time. Jesus, man, Jesus. That's awesome. I love to see that. But anyway, let's jump into the DOT price prediction here. So let's look at the fundamentals here. So fundamentals for DOT here. Polkadot token is used for staking, governance, building, and interoperability. Like you can see, there's it's very possible that Ethereum will be in the future a lot for decentralized projects. DOT will be Polkadot will be like more like governance, and anyway, that's that. But anyway, so at launch, an infinite amount could exist on the network. Kusama network has a trading community and staking community. It will be the first relay chain. It will be basically be Polkadot on top of Polkadot. Around 100 team members are working on various technology, Web 3.3 foundation, and Parity primarily work on Polkadot, Pandera, on-chain, Polychain. A lot of big funds came in the early rounds. They are competing with Cosmos and other blockchain interoperability networks. Gavin, the CEO, began his career in blockchain technology as co-founder and CDO of Ethereum. Polkadot is getting built by Web3 Foundation. The website receives 50,000 visits a month, 30,000 followers on Twitter. So very good, very good following. Okay, fundamental score 84. Very good, very good. I always, when I look at the projects over 80, excellent, excellent. Okay, so team here. You can see more about the team here. Link, it will link on the LinkedIn. Definitely check it out. And related links here also. But here's how it's like measured. So scarcity, and these are the data points that they use for fundamentals of. So let's see where it's lacking. So scarcity, but it's lacking on the security. Like you can see how many nodes exist on network, 100 /200. proof of stake. Okay, so that's where the security here is lacking a little bit. But of course these are not 100%. For example, here, are they written about often in mainstream media? Yes. Does the company website have team bios, a terms of use, privacy policy, clear outline data, a long-term vision, an easy-to-find roadmap, and an aesthetically pleasing user interface? Yes, very good. You should come here and check out all this stuff. It's very interesting. But you can see here, fundamental score 84, and when you come with your trader, for short term, like you can see 72%, not the best, but very good. But on the long term, 84% score, very good. Also, let's check out the technology. On the technology side, short term, not the greatest, 63%, not high PS, but 90% project technology. On long term, very good. So innovative, architecture, code quality, excellent, maintenance, excellent, usability, excellent, team, excellent. Okay, so here's technology summary. So Polkadot is a scalable, heterogeneous multi-chain. Polkadot platform aims to make cross-blockchain networks to work together under protection of shared security, called pooled security. Excuse me. Where Polkadot's validators secure multiple chains. The goal of Polkadot is to provide a framework under which new blockchains may be created, to which existing blockchains can, if their communities desire, be transitioned. Very epic. Polkadot aims to enable true interoperability, cross-blockchain transfers for any type of data asset, not just tokens. Polkadot blockchains implement nominated proof of stake scheme. This scheme allows participants who do not wish to run nodes to be able to help with the validator selection. Polkadot consists of main chain called the relay chain and multiple sharded chains called parachains. The relay chain is maintained by validators that are selected through NPO's scheme and is responsible for producing blocks of the relay chain via BABE and keeping the state of all the parachains. These validators need to vote on the consensus over the parachain's blocks. A parachain utilizing the properties of ZK snarks in order to ensure identities of transactions on it are kept private. The DOT token serves four distinct purposes: governance over the network, operation, bonding, and interoperability. Very interesting. Unique project. Architecture not too complex. Time to understand, 20 to 50 minutes. Good quality code. Outstanding, good. Mainnet ready. Coding style, outstanding, senior, 5+. Good stuff here, references you can see here from Polkadot website. Let's check out the technical analysis also. So currently 76% neutral, almost bullish. Trader, it's the same. So short term technical analysis, this is the machine learning. Also you can see here all the data points that it uses on the charting. Okay, so candlestick patterns, moving averages, accelerators, all that kind of stuff. And last thing we are going to check here is the performance metrics. Like you can see, like it's cumulative returns versus Bitcoin. So which would have been better if you, like, let's face it, we are here to make money. So which would have been better to hold Polkadot or Bitcoin? And it says here that it would have been a lot better to hold Polkadot. Like you can see here, Polkadot versus Bitcoin, Polkadot has brought better returns. Okay, basically, like you can see, like way better returns, almost double. Okay, so that's great. You can come here and check out the data here. You can just dive deep here if you really like to watch a look at the data. Very interesting stuff there. So definitely check out, by the way, token metrics, link in description, 10% off. Check out the trial. Definitely try it. Just try it. If you don't like it, don't ever use it. But I started using this like over a week ago, and as soon as I started using it, I've been using it every single day, like all day long. I just come here and watch these coins, and very fun, very educating, and yeah, it's very interesting. I just love it. But anyway, let's jump on the Polkadot price prediction for March 21. Okay, so I think that if Bitcoin now is just going to go, so the next resistance for Bitcoin is $68,000. Like that's the next big resistance that we have to overcome, $68,000. And if Bitcoin just going to swing at it in March, I think that Polkadot could go to like $50. Like easy. I think about Polkadot at $50. That's very easy to imagine. Like I think that Polkadot is going to go over $100 this bull run, like easily. Okay, but it's not financial advice. I don't own Polkadot, but I can just see it happening. I can see it happening. And yeah, so March, the worst case scenario, everything tanks, like Bitcoin is going to $30,000. I think that Polkadot will go to like $24, $20 range, $22, $24. Most likely scenario, Polkadot is going to be between $30 to $40 the whole March. And bullish scenario, I think that anything like above $45. I think that that's just it's just going to, after $45 it's just going to fly to 50. I think that that's going to be the case. But we will see. We will definitely see it, and I'm very excited for this, guys. What do you guys think? Do you think that Polkadot is going to go to the moon in this bull run? Do you think that we're bearish about Polkadot? What do you think about Polkadot? Comment down below. And also, if I missed any points here, please comment down below your price prediction. And if you know more about Polkadot projects, that's something that I didn't cover here, just comment down below. I would love to know your insights. Share them with everyone here. Okay, so, and also subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Also like this video and check out the free newsletter that I have. It's the first link in description. Sign up. I will keep you updated via email. Very good stuff there coming, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys.